Hello guys, I just want to make a short video just to show you the differences between the Neewer URig and the Ulanzi ring for your iPhone or Android phone, smartphone. So this is the Ulanzi and this is the Neewer. So the big differences between both is, first of all, this one comes with a handle, so very convenient option. Just have to screw it back inside, and it gives you the opportunity to use it as a handle. You just put your phone over here. You could put it that way, or this way. So you can have it like that, or you can put it on the side. You have a mounting screw over here. You stick like that, just put it inside. And there you go. You have a handle on the side that you can use to keep your phone and film. The options, you have 3 cold shoes over here, 2 1/4 inch screws on top, 1 on the bottom, and of course the one on the side. If you want to take this one out, you have another one over here. So you have this one over here. So this is the Neewer URig. And of course, you just put your phone over here, and this comes with a spring that keeps it on. And if you want to just make sure it doesn't move, you just twist this, so it's going to be secured into this box. The Ulanzi version, it's the same thing, except it's a little bit larger. Same concept. You have a screw in the back. You put your phone over here. You press it up so you can put your phone inside. Then you screw it back in. So it's gonna be, your phone's gonna be secure inside. Same thing as the Neewer. You have 3 cold shoes over here. You have 2 1/4 inch screws over here. 1 on the bottom and 1 on the side, same as the Neewer, except that this one doesn't come with a handle as the Neewer did. But I prefer a lot more the Ulanzi one, because if you look at them side by side, you can see the Ulanzi is much wider, and what it does, it helps you if you put your cell phone inside. It gives you more space to stay on the handles and just to move around with it. And if you have plugs like your wiring for your microphone or a LED, whatever, you have a little more space over here on the side, so you can put it in. As the functions, you can see it on the core shoes on top. You'll have 3 with 2 screws, bottom, and of course the side, and the 2 backs. So the price difference isn't that much. This one sells for $25 if I'm not mistaken. This one goes around for same price, around 22 maybe, like $2 or $3 difference between both. So this one, the big advantage is because it comes with a handle. This one doesn't, but you can use any other handle that you already have, or tripod, since you have a 1/4 screw on the bottom, which you can screw on it. So that's about it. So I brought my other phone just to show you the space that we have inside. So if you put it into the Ulanzi, just unscrew this back screw, you put it inside, you push it in, and you secure it in place. So it gives you some space if you want to put your, this has a USB-C plug, and it has this 3.5 input also. So you can put both, and you still have some space to put your, you can move it around a little bit. You have some space to put your input over here, and the camera's on this side. So it gives you a little bit more space. And if you want to do, we'll do the same exercise with the Neewer. You're gonna see a little bit more, much smaller space for it. So just unscrew this. Put it inside. See? See, it gives you, look at this. It comes almost flush with the side, and you don't have much space to put your inputs over here. That 3.5 millimeter microphone and your USB-C plug over here. So it doesn't give you much space, and this is almost at the end, so you don't have much space to work with. So that's why I prefer the Ulanzi version. So I hope you enjoyed this one, this demo. Thank you.